street. I'm staring at a pair of records here. East end of Yellowstone. What's up?
Is it eastbound?
Yeah, it's stopped. Thank you much.
How big of a water tender do you need?
I know, right?
Jesus.
Oh no. Because that's what the floor truck shades are look like, I think, in real life too, as well. I have to double check.
Train 740 eastbound on the B&O.
Yeah.
Reaper permission eastbound on the B&O.
You don't have permission.
Okay, hang on. So here's the phone. So, because I'm waiting for these guys to cross over yet.
Okay.
Suckers.
Yep. Yep, you guys will be bypassing me by the time that happens.
Me and Sean got playing.
You're coming this way.
You can pick any train you want to run.
I know. Wish we could do sound now.
Oh, you can do whatever you want.
Oh.
From Candy switch over here. We can put right in the middle, right? This is switch. Yeah.
David, you should run sound out of it. That's what we do.
Okay, so down for red.
So I like that B&O energy.